it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. If I couldn't make it any more obvious today, I have another large mail haul to share with you guys. My allergies are absolutely insane today. It's raining outside. Usually when the weather changes like that, this just goes to hell. So don't be surprised if I start a sneeze counter in the corner. On top of my allergies being crazy today, I had a really bad health day yesterday. I did recently do a video talking about my chronic illness, so if you would like to know what's going on with that, I will link the video above. So I'm just spending today recovering and relaxing, and I hope that you can come along and have a fun, relaxing time with me opening this stuff. Now, I did order all of these items over a period of time, probably over the last 2 to 3 months. I didn't go on a crazy shopping spree and buy all of this at once, but I like to just save up a little bundle of things to open with you guys, which means I've been waiting to open these items for quite a while, so let's just get into it. Now, these items are a combination of Lolita accessories and also just random non-Lolita stuff that I have ordered from the internet. Oh, what did I cut? Oh no! There was a package of gummy bears in the mailer and I just cut them open. Guess I'll have to enjoy them immediately. But yeah, so you'll find some regular non-Lolita items mixed in here as well. But one of you guys I know did recommend wanting to see some more just Kawaii merch in general on my channel, so here we go. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so story time. I've been waiting for this package since I think probably September of last year. I ordered these because I saw them and I thought of my cats immediately, and they're also Halloween themed, which is my favorite holiday. I am so happy to finally have my hands on these. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, let me come show you guys. So this is a set of pins, as you can see, Halloween themed. This is a little black cat and a pumpkin with some candy, so it reminded me of my cat Cicero. And is this not, let me see if I can get some better light on this. Does this not look like Oliver and Cicero in little ghost costumes? I think they are adorable. I can't wait to put them on my pin board, and they look super nice too. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for the large box we have here. Now, I have completely forgotten pretty much what all of these packages contain, so it will be a surprise that we can both enjoy. Now, it appears this is in a Starbucks box, though I did not order any Starbucks items, unless I did. I do love their cherry blossom collection from Japan. You know those things go for $80 for a little tumbler cup on eBay? I know because I bought one. Okay, so on top we have some cute pink tissue paper. I really love when sellers even do just little simple things like that to make it fun to open the mail. I do it myself when people buy stuff for me, and I think it just really adds something fun. Okay. Oh, yes, I remember what this is now. Okay, so this is just a super classic little purse from Angelic Pretty. Now, there is quite a bit of damage on it, which the seller did advise me of when I bought it, but I thought this could be a fun little DIY fixer-up project. I did already do a video on how I really quickly and cheaply repair little nicks on my Lolita shoes using nail polish. But I think for this, I'll use something a little more high-tech. I will actually purchase something to help in fixing it. I think I'll probably use some leather paint or something like that. One of you guys recommended that to me. So I'll probably do another video on how I do that process and how it turns out. So look forward to that. But you know, the damage isn't really that bad. It is flaking a little bit. I think this can definitely be repaired and made looking good as new, but it's just a really simple, cute little casual purse. I know when I film my review videos, I feel like my purse selection is pretty limited, so I'm really happy to have something new to use in those review videos. Okay, what next? I think I'll go with this little package right here. And just based on the shape, I think I know what this is, and I am very excited. So some of you guys might be aware of what this little guy is. If you aren't, get ready, because this is a pee-pee. So this is pee-pee. It's like a little creature made of orbs, and here's like the OG, like classic pee-pee is cow print pee-pee, and my best friend May got me onto pee-pee, this little creature who does crimes. Yeah, and see on the back of the label here, it has like some spaces for you to fill, and it says PP was arrested on, and you can enter the date for the crime of whatever you want it to be. They spent blank years in a maximum security prison before being transferred to Heather's private prison complex. There we go. I don't know, it's so silly and fun and weird. And so these are made by a company called Item Label, and they have some other fun little like creatures that they've created, and you can buy plushes of. Now these are like art plushes, so they are a little more expensive. I think PP is around like $30. Well worth it. Look at you. What crimes have you committed? What sins have you done? Look at him in his eyes. Listen to what he whispers to you. Look at his little face. His eyes are so orbular and his little feet are orbular. Let's go with this little mailer right here. And I got this from Magical Girl Me, who is another Lolita on Instagram. She has super cute cords and posts that she makes, so definitely go check her out too. Now this haul, like all the Lolita items that I bought, were like accessories that I wanted to have to go with like cords that I already put together, and they just needed something else. Oh, how cute! I love her little sticker. Super cute packaging. And she does have a little website. It is magicalgirlme.com, where she has other accessories and stuff, and that is what I've ordered. Oh, it's so cute! Ah, it's adorable! Okay, so I got this super cute little lemon slice, okay, turn this way, sweetheart, lemon slice necklace to go with my fruity lemon dress. And I feel like there are actually quite a few like lemon themed jewelry pieces and stuff out there, but they all tend to kind of look the same, so I wanted something a little more special, a little different, and I definitely feel like this is the vibe that I was going for. I'm so happy about this. Now I need to wear fruity lemon. I'm always like so afraid to cut into little packages like this. I think this is a safe area though. I hope. I don't remember what this is. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, some super cute little stickers, and this guy is a blouse. So obviously, as a Lolita, buying things like dresses and like cute fun accessories is probably the highlight of shopping. But you know, it's important to also have some good basics like blouses and stuff like that. Oh, it's so pretty. Now this is an off-brand blouse, but I just thought it was so cute for summertime because it has like this nice like mesh lacy inserts so that I can get some circulation up under my cord in the heat. I think this is going to fit perfectly. It feels super lightweight. The fabric is really soft. And I actually only have one other short sleeve blouse that I wear, and she is tired. Okay, so now that I've opened this like a complete buffoon, I can see what's in here. What is going on? Oh, it's like taped inside here. Interesting. Interesting choice, seller. So in here we have another little lemon accessory, and it is the matching head bow for my Fruity Lemon JSK. And it still has the tag on it. Love that for me. Of course, when I bought Fruity Lemon from the Angelic Pretty Bloodbath, I missed getting this. I was so focused on just getting the dress that I passed this up, and now after a couple years of having just the dress, I now have the bow. And just in time too, because I feel like Fruity Lemon is such a perfect summertime cord, so I can't wait to wear this out. And with my new necklace. Just a couple more items here. Let's go with this one. This just arrived this morning, actually. So this is not a Lolita package. there are two things in here, and look where they are from. Miss Vivienne Westwood. So one of these is for me, and one of these is a gift. And I think this will be going up after her birthday, but one of these is for Mayfield. I have never ordered anything from Vivienne Westwood before, so this is like a super special experience. I'm glad I get to share it with you guys. I really don't buy myself like nice jewelry. Most of it is like cute little handmade or like acrylic pieces. Ooh, these ones are mine. Wow, they're so pretty and they're bigger than I thought they were going to be. Hopefully the camera will properly capture them. They are the iconic Vivienne Westwood orb sphere, and they're in this really beautiful like light pink and lavender. Oh god! So they're really beautiful light pink and lavender. I cannot wait to wear these with like everything. I'm so excited. And I'll go ahead and show you what I got for Mayfield as well. Why not? Okay, so for May's birthday, we are going to go get her ears re-pierced. Her little piercing holes closed up a long time ago, so she hasn't been able to wear pierced earrings. And so I'm gonna go with her to get her ears pierced. And so okay, focus, there we go. I just got her these cute, simple, like everyday kind of studs from Vivienne Westwood. Yeah, Mayfield also really enjoys Vivienne Westwood, and so I hope she likes them. And we've come to the final box. It's another one of these that I did not know how to open properly. So again, I'm just gonna shove my scissors in here and hope for the best. Ah yes, just what I needed. Another beret! Okay, so I do already have a pink beret, but I got this one because it has a cute little heart and medical cross on it. I thought this would go super cute with the cord I usually wear with Fancy Hospital. And I did actually just recently upload a review video on Fancy Hospital, so I will link that up above for you guys. But yeah, I just thought this was so cute, and I love the little like white band detail around the part where it sits on your head, and it was for a great price too, so why not? Another beret. Well guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me today while I opened all these goodies. I hope you did enjoy it. If you'd like to see more Lolita or unboxing content, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below or giving the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the giant mess that's here off screen. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Pee-pee, no!